हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम प्लेलिस्ट की सारी वीडियोस को कैसे डाउनलोड करेंगे आज ट्राई करते हैं कैसे सकते हैं। वीडियो से पहले आप लोग से रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप लोग मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाइक जितना कर सकते हैं। तो अब हम एक प्लेलिस्ट देखेंगे और प्लेलिस्ट से क्या करेंगे कि पहले हम वीडियोस की पेरेंट्स वाले न्यूज़ की एक यूआरएल होगा, स्पेसिफिक होगा प्लेलिस्ट के लिए और उससे सारे यूआरएल्स बाइंड होंगे। तो हम उसको कैसे गैदर करेंगे और उसको कैसे हम इन वन शॉट सारे वीडियोस को डाउनलोड करेंगे लोकली, राइट? So let's take the example of this one. This is the lecture video of Durga sir, basically. So now this one is our parent URL. And we will visit this YouTube multi-downloader.net site. So this is providing the all URL in one shot. We have total 17 videos. So it will give the total 17. If it is 12, it will give 20 URL. This is how we will collect all the URLs from this website. So this is our, let's click over the download, right? See, all videos have been created there. 17 videos is there. So now what we have to do the next step, copy all the URL, go to the Notepad++, yeah, Notepad, save into the text file first. So see, there is a 17 one. So now we have to save any name, but this format should be in the text format. It means the extension of that file should be in the text format, right? So now make the file name is then like I1, right? We'll keep inside the any one of the folder. So let's take the inside the Java. Done. Now we will open the IDM. So in the IDM, this is the UI of IDM. In this IDM, we will click over the task. Inside the task, there are some options are there: add new download, add batch download from click. So we don't need to click over there, but it will be getting the data from there only. No need to do like that. This is also a step, but we will skip this one right now. We will import the files and then we will show how it will download from text file. Where is our text file? This one. I1 which I made earlier. Right? There is a check all. Check all will be check the all the downloads folder files where it is. You can also specify the browser. Right? So we will make the browser in software folder. No. Okay. New I. It is the folder specific name. It depends upon you, whatever you want to keep it. Right? Select folder. Folder has been select. Check all is there. You have to make the queue, which is download the first queue, which is on the based on the precedence of the priority, which you are setting there. Right? Fine. Fifth one is the R1. Start download at if the IDM startup. Once your laptop has a startup, whenever you are opening your laptop and get started, it will get started the download. Right? Then we have to apply file in this queue. Yeah. Download one. It will showing this nothing is कि आप इसमें एक बार में कितने फाइल को डाउनलोड कर सकते हो, तो 3 फाइल रैंडमली एक बार में क्लिक हो सकते हैं, ठीक है? सो एज ऑफ नाउ वी विल कीप इट द वन. ओके, अप्लाई क्लोज. क्लोज देयर फॉर सी इट इज गेटिंग download started. In one shot, all videos have been getting started. So this is how we are downloading the playlist videos from any one of the parent channel. Yeah, any playlist from the YouTube. You can download it. See, next one will start. Thank you so much.